If you have a floppy drive that's been working perfectly fine and suddenly stops reading disks and starts throwing errors, you're most likely dealing with a dirty read-write head. Of course, if a drive's been sitting around unused for a while, it could also need a cleaning and lubrication, but there are plenty of videos online that can show you how to do that. Let me demonstrate. Here I have a known good disk. You can see the disk itself is free of any mold or scratches on the top or the bottom. And it works just fine. Here I have a known unworking disk, and you can probably see there's some scratches there where the magnetic material has been sloughing off onto the drive heads on both the top and the bottom. Now, I recently did a large data recovery for a customer. Turns out that a lot of these gold label Fujifilm disks were bad, while most of the other disks, including some silver label Fujis, were good. You can also hear how much louder it is in the drive than the good disk. And there we are, data error reading drive A. Here you can see some of that magnetic material on the lower read-write head. Now if we go back to our known good disk, the drive is now unable to read it. Now, of course, you can certainly clean a drive head with some IPA and a Q-tip, but that, of course, requires you have access to the drive head, and the drive doesn't have a cover over it. So the easiest way to clean a drive head is with a cleaning disc. And, of course, they don't make these anymore, but you can easily make your own. Take a 5-inch disc, cut it open, remove the liner on the inside that's used to protect the data disk, and you can get filter paper online that's 125 millimeters that fits these jackets perfectly. You can even take the old disc and cut out the center hole for it. So just take one of these filter papers, put it in the jacket, and seal it up with a little bit of Scotch tape. You're good to go. A little bit of IPA on the cleaning disc will help with the process. You can put it in. Now, of course, you can certainly just run a few DIRs to clean the head, or you can use a dedicated program like Image Disk. You can see it has a clean head option there on the left side. We'll go with that. That'll move the head all the way up and back, as well as spinning the filter paper. And that's it. And here you can see that the head is clean again. And that's it. Let's put our known good working disc back in. And we're back in business. As easy as that.